Once again.
Hi world, how are you? I'm at the front of my house and this is my sign. I'm a lady of faith, guys. All right, so it's full of snow. All right, so this is another vlog. I'm just gonna walk to the bushes again. I went that way the last time. I'm gonna go to this side to the bushes and then I'm gonna video it and then I'm gonna show you. Good morning world and have a blessed day. All right, look at these trees here, guys. Look at that. Can you see that? Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Hold it down.
Yeah.
Oh, you work this. Okay. So guys, this is me shoveling the snow.
Want me to show your face?
Okay. Oh, he's stuck.
Heavy
Oh
snow.
God, the heavy man. Ooh, that is one too big. This one is mango.
You get more snow done.
You gonna get more?
Yeah. Zoom in on the bike. Yeah.
Oh. You tired? This is your lady can do work on a man alone, right? My neighbor is holding the phone. Oy. I was just gonna walk over there and show them.
The hill?
Yeah, because I went and I think we're gonna have more snow, you say, right?
Yeah.
So we gotta scrape up the first one so it don't get too heavy. And if the rain comes on it, it's gonna be really heavy, right? My neighbor is good most time they do it. Oh, I did a good job. All right.
Good job.
Hold on. Pause it. Bring the first one. Shelly! Oh my God. Guys, can you see my face? I'm tired. Look at my clothes. Look at my hair. I'm a white lady now, guys. Can you see this? I'm a white lady. White lady in Canada. So I'm gonna head right there to the path. That path takes you to the park right over there. So I don't know if I can reach to the park, but I'm gonna go close as the river. And yeah, this is me. Let's walk. This is also a morning exercise for me too. Yes, it's not hot and I have my jacket on. Let's go see this little part of bush. We're not going too far. I see a path. Oh my God. I love it. I love it. Make sure I look nothing to bother me in here. Oh, look at that, guys. Oh, I love the bushes. This path takes you to the river. I'm not gonna go there. I don't know what's down there. I'm gonna go close and then I'll come back. Look how beautiful it is. Wow, look at this, guys. Wow. Yeah. Go a little bit further. Under the trees. All right, let me stop here. Oh my God, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Ooh. I am in the bushes. Help! Help! Okay, guys, can you see above? Let me show you my face. So guys, this is me in the bushes again. It's just the other side of the road. Can you see me, guys? Why? 360 in the bushes. Ah, we're in the woods. Oh my God, look at my face. Ah, I'm turning white by the minute. All right, let's go, guys. Oh my goodness, it's so... I'm in my Tim's. Yes. Guys, you see I'm crying? Oh my God, I'm crying. Oh, I'm crying. All right, let's see some view. It's so beautiful. Oh. ASMR. It's like a slope hillside. Oh, look at this tree. Right up. Oh my God, look at this. All the trees. White as far as you can see. But it's so nice. I love it. I love it here, guys. Ooh. Let's give you a 360. Yeah. So beautiful. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you for another beautiful day. Thank you, Lord. Oh, this is so refreshing and nice. Oh, you don't want to see that. That's my nightgown underneath. You don't want to see that part. No way. Don't look at that part. I am white. I am white. Oh, this is the bridge I want to show you. That's the same river that you saw in the previous video. This is how high the snow is so far. And this is me dancing on the bridge. I'm dancing on the bridge. Today is Sunday, guys. Happy Sunday. Although this video won't be posted now. Okay. I'm just gonna show you something and stop the talking. Whee! Isn't this beautiful? We're gonna get more snow today, guys. That's the Canadian flag, and this is the park, and I'm walking through it. I'm gonna take a detour, a shortcut, and I'm gonna go this route. Look at this tree. Oh, it's so pretty. Look at this beauty, guys. Look at that beauty. Look at that beauty. Yes, I see you again. You walk all the time through that path?
Yeah.
Oh, I live around there, so I came this side this time.
I live down that way.
Oh, all right, bye. Have a good day, bye. Guys, maybe this time of the day this lady walks too. I saw her on the next video on that side. I'm almost at the road. Look at this, guys. Woo. Woo. Oh, look at him running. I saw the squirrel. Look at him. There he is. Woohoo! What's that water settle up there for? Huh. Almost home. That was a good walk. Skill trade training. Ooh. Look, guys, I see the duckies. They're swimming upstream. There they are. Hi. Hi, babies. Hi, babies. Hi. Hi, my babies. Good morning. Hi, babies. They're so pretty. Hi, my babies. You're swimming upstream. They said, what the hell are you saying, lady? We can't talk. Come on, get yourself together. And that's my squirrel. There. And I'm walking home now. I'm walking home. Isn't that beautiful? Where are the babies at? I think they're coming. They're gonna take. Oh, they're coming. There. I see them. Can you see them, guys? There the babies are. Hi, babies. Yeah, see, they stop. They know I'm calling them. See? I think they're resting. I think I better get out of the snow too and go rest myself too. Bye, babies. I'm under a big tree. I think now what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm sweaty underneath. Nah. I'm sweaty, guys, underneath my jacket. Well, maybe underneath too, who knows. But anyhow, I gotta take a shower now and get some rest. And I'm gonna edit a little bit of video that I had. And this is it. Let me give you a big 360. Ooh. That's the water. Isn't that pretty? Ooh. Hey, I'm not look good enough to take off this. That's the water, guys. Yes. Beautiful. Guys, can you see the babies? They meet me up here. Hi, babies. I keep seeing the babies. Hi, babies. Hi. They're gonna go under the bridge. Hi. Hi, so cute. This is the path that I made the video the last time. I'm not going there, guys. I'm just showing you. And this is more water. More water. This is the part I showed you the last time. There. Bye, guys. Have a good day. See you next time. Alright. Beautiful water. Ooh, look at that. So beautiful. Look at that, so beautiful. This is my car, guys, all covered. Woo. Look how high. I'm not cleaning it now. It's gonna stay until when the snow finish. It's a lot. So good. Alright, guys, can you see I just cleaned the snow from the walkway and it's full again. I'm home. Alright, guys, see you next time. Woo.